Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.